A lot to get to on this Christmas night. Hope you had a great day celebrating with your friends and family. And we start with a pinpoint weather alert and some dangerous conditions out east. Take a look here. You can see why. A blizzard warning is now in effect in eastern Colorado. These are new pictures from Colorado State Patrol on I-70 near Lyman, where there are near whiteout conditions. And we're getting brand new information about the conditions out there, Ashley.
All right, let's take a live look at I-70. This is the CDOT cameras near Burlington. You can see a lot of police activity out there. And we are just learning within the last few seconds from CDOT that I-70 is closed in the Burlington area because of a jackknife semi. You can see that camera shaking quite violently out there. And of course, that is because of those windy conditions, those blizzard-like windy conditions that we are expecting over the next several hours, several days. But this is I-70 westbound in Burlington, again, closed due to a jackknife semi.